Welcome back to Celebrity Spotlight Radio. Today, we're diving into some fascinating and yes, slightly concerning news from the cosmos. Don't worry, we're not talking alien invasions, but something a little closer to home, an asteroid with a tiny chance of hitting Earth. Now, before you start building that underground bunker, let's get the facts straight. The UN, along with planetary defense organizations like the European Space Agency, are keeping a close eye on this asteroid, designated 2024 YR4. It was just spotted on December 27, 2024. Think of it as a late Christmas present from the universe, though maybe not the kind we were hoping for. The ESA tells us there's a 99% chance it'll safely pass us by on December 22, 2032. That's still quite a few years away. But, and this is a small but important but, they can't completely rule out an impact. Right now, the probability of a collision is estimated at around 1.3%. So, very small, but not zero. Dr. Robert Massey of the Royal Astronomical Society, a voice of reason in these situations, assures us there's no need to panic. He points out that these initial impact probabilities often decrease as we get more data. Think of it like trying to predict the weather a year out. The forecast gets clearer as the date gets closer. He emphasizes the importance of continued monitoring and giving astronomers the resources they need to track these potential threats. This asteroid, 2024 YR4, is estimated to be somewhere between 40 and 90 meters across. Now, if it were to hit Earth, we're talking about the force of a nuclear bomb. That's definitely something to take seriously. The good news is, it's much more likely to splash down in the ocean or a remote area. And, because it's still so far away, it's impossible to pinpoint a potential impact zone at this stage. Since its discovery, astronomers have been using telescopes to refine their calculations of the asteroid's size and trajectory. It's currently rated a 3 out of 10 on the Torino impact hazard scale. That means it's an object of interest, but a collision is only considered certain when the scale reaches 8, 9, or 10. We've seen this before. Remember the asteroid Apophis back in 2004. It initially had a higher probability of hitting Earth, but further observations cleared it. This is why continued observation is so crucial. So, what happens if the probability stays above that 1% threshold? Well, a series of precautionary measures kick in. Two UN-backed groups, the International Asteroid Warning Network and the Space Mission Planning Advisory Group, are activated. They're already meeting to discuss next steps. Right now, it's a waiting game, but they'll continue to monitor the situation and could recommend action to the UN if needed. And what kind of action are we talking about? Well, we've actually got some technology for this. Remember NASA's DART mission? They successfully nudged an asteroid off its course. Dr. Massey reminds us that this technology is effective, but only if we spot the threat early enough. For now, 2024 YR4 is moving away from Earth, making it tricky to get a precise fix on its orbit. Over the coming months, it will fade from view, but astronomers will continue to track it using both ground and space telescopes. The ESA even says it's possible the asteroid will become too faint to see before we can completely rule out an impact in 2032. In that case, it'll stay on their risk list until it becomes visible again in 2028. So, there you have it, a potential asteroid threat, but one that's being closely monitored. It's a reminder of the dynamic universe we live in and the importance of planetary defense. We'll keep you updated on any developments right here on Celebrity Spotlight Radio.